Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 back again with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to show you this little welding project that I'm working on, so stay tuned. So this is the welding project I have. I have two pieces of metal that I welded together for the most part. Still got some more to do. Did this one a couple weeks ago. Gonna finish that up and then clean up all the everything over there. And then here's two pieces that I welded together. I know it's not perfect, there's a lot of splatter, but I'm gonna grind all that down, make it all nice and smooth. Then I'm gonna weld this piece and this piece together so that they're like that. That way I can have a nice piece, long piece just standing up. That way I can practice welding. That's the whole reason why I made this, just so I can practice, and then I can just practice my beads going along, practice different kinds of welds. So that's the plan for today. Gonna hook this up to the tripod and we'll see where it goes from there. Well, it's not the prettiest, but it'll do. So this is what I did before, and this is what I just finished doing. Yeah, this side's still hot. So gotta tack the that piece onto this and then finish welding it. I did try and use my grinder on it to get all the excess slag off and then bring down some of the weld, but unfortunately my flap disc ran out of grit, so I'm gonna be having to go to the store and grab some more discs. But in the meantime, I'll just weld it onto here and then I'll just finish doing that up at another time. So let's continue. So here we go. It's all done. Just got to, I just tacked in 4 corners, but there it is so far. Probably just gonna leave it like this for now. Let's see, definitely not the prettiest, but it will do. I also welded the back right there. Not too bad. Feel like I'm definitely getting better. As you can see, I stopped right here. I think I stopped there too. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, this isn't gonna be moving around or anything, so I'm not too worried about the structural integrity. It's just basically just gonna like sit on a table, put a clamp on it, or once I get my welding table that I'm gonna be making, just sit it right on there and then just practice making some beads. That's pretty much all this was, just one practice piece. That way I can get better at it. And I think it turned out pretty decently. Not the best, but it'll do. Yeah, you can see it did bend in a little bit. when I just welded these two pieces together, but once again, is what it is. That's pretty much it. I do really like that welder. I will be making a review on that pretty soon, but I think it turned out pretty well. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Very close to hitting 2,000 subscribers. So once I hit that, I will be doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned on the lookout for that. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.